Good morning, students. Now we are continuing the topic theory of equations. In that, today we will discuss Newton's method and transformed equations. First, Newton's method. Now, f of x is a polynomial function of nth degree. Let f of x equals to x to the power of n plus p1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus p2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to so on plus pn equals to 0. It is nth degree polynomial equation. In that, always the highest degree term coefficient or x to the power of n coefficient must be unity. Now, here SR equals to, if suppose these roots of the equation some alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to so on alpha n, because it is nth degree equation having n roots. Now, the roots consider alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to so on alpha n. Now, here SR equals to alpha 1 to the power of r plus alpha 2 to the power of r plus alpha 3 to the power of r plus up to so on alpha n to the power of r. Here that meaning, if suppose S1 equals to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus up to so on alpha n. If suppose S2 equals to alpha 1 whole square plus alpha 2 whole square plus alpha 3 square plus up to so on alpha n square, means sum of squares of roots S2. S1 nothing but sum of roots of the equation. S3 equals to alpha 1 cube plus alpha 2 cube plus alpha 3 cube plus up to so on alpha n to the power of cube, means sum of cubes of roots, alpha S3 equals to. Similarly, if suppose S4 equals to alpha 1 to the power of 4 plus alpha 2 to the power of 4 plus alpha 3 to the power of 4 plus up to so on alpha n to the power of 4 up to so on. Now, here notations S1 means sum of roots of the equation, S2 equals to sum of squares of roots, S3 equals to sum of cubes of roots, to sum of roots whose exponent is 4. If f of x equals to x power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 plus p2 x power n minus 2 up to so on pn equals to 0. Now, it is nth degree equation in terms of x. Now, always here p1, p2, p3 up to so on are coefficients. Now, S1 plus p1 equals to 0, S1 plus p1 equals to 0. Here S1 nothing but sum of roots of the equation, Next to S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2P2 equals to 0. 2P2 equals to 0. Similarly, S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 equals to 0. Now, S4 plus P1 S3 plus P2 S2 plus P3 S1 plus 4P4 equals to 0. Now, by using these equations, we get here S1 nothing but sum of roots of the equation. S2, from this equation we get sum of squares of roots. Now, from this equation, sum of cubes of roots of the equation. Similarly, up to so on, up to so on. Now, if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the equation, x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then find the values of first one, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Third, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. Fourth, alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4, up to so on. Now, here the given equation x cube plus a1 x square ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, first, what is the formula? S1 plus P1 equals to 0. Here it is nothing but P1, P2, P3. Now, S1 plus P1 equals to 0. For implies what is S1 or sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus P1. Now, but P1 equals to A, minus A. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus A. Next to S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2P2 equals to 0. Now, for implies here S2 plus P1 nothing but A into S1. S1 equals to minus A plus 2P2, P2B equals to 0. Now, therefore, we get S2 equals to here minus A square plus 2B. Take right side, A square minus 2B. S2 equals to A square minus 2B. S1 equals to minus A. Next to S2 nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, that equals A square minus 2B. Next to S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 equals to 0. From this equation we get alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube, or S3. Now, S3 plus P1 equals to A into S2 equals to A square minus 2B plus P2 equals to B into S1 equals to minus A plus 3P3 P3 equals to C, 3C equals to 0. Now S3 plus A cube minus 2AB minus AB plus 3C equals to 0. Now, therefore, S3 equals to, or alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube equals to, these terms take right side, we get 3AB minus A cube plus 3C, minus 3C, S3 equals to, or alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube equals to 3AB minus A cube minus 3C. Next to S4 plus P1 S3 plus P2 S2 plus P3 S1, but P4 not there, means that is 0. Actually it is plus 4P4 equals to 0. Now S4 plus P1 equals to A and S3 equals to 3AB minus A cube minus 3C plus P2 equals to B into S2 equals to A square minus 2B, plus P3 equals to C into S1 minus A, but there is no P4, 0. Now S4 plus 3A square B minus A to the power of 4 minus 3AC plus A square B minus 2B square minus CA equals to 0. Now S4 equals to, these complete terms take right side, we get A to the power of 4 3A square B, here A square B, 4A square B minus 4A square B minus 3AC minus CA, take right side, plus 4AC plus 2B square equals, now S4, or it is nothing but alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4 equals to. Next, if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the equation x cube minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0, find alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4, means sum of roots whose exponent is 4. Now here compulsory to find S1, S2, S3, after that only we get S4. Now the given equation x cube minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0, but in this equation there is no x square term, that's why here x cube plus 0 into x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Here P1 nothing but 0, P2 minus 4, P3 1. Now first S1 plus P1 equals to 0. S1 plus P1 equals to 0. For implies S1 plus P1 nothing but 0 equals to 0. Now therefore S1 equals to 0. The value of S1 equals to 0, or it is nothing but sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 0. Next to S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2P2 equals to 0. S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2P2 equals to 0. Now S2 plus P1 equals to 0 into S1 plus 2 into P2 equals to minus 4, that equals to 0. Now S2 equals to 8. It is nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equals to 8. Next to S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 equals to 0. Now S3 plus P1 S2, P1 is 0, then P1 S2 0. Next to P2 S1, S1 is also 0, S1 0, then 0 plus 3P3, P3 is 1, 3 P3 equals to 3. Now for implies we get S3 equals to minus 3. The value of S3 equals to minus 3. It is nothing but alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube equals to minus 3. Actually required S4. Now S4 plus P1 S3 plus P2 S2 plus P3 S1 plus 4P4 equals to 0. Now S4 plus P1 equals to 0 plus P2 equals to minus 4 into S2 equals to 8 plus P3 S1, the value of S1 equals to 0 plus 4P4 also 0 because P4 not there. Now S4 minus 32 equals to 0. Therefore S4 nothing but alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4 equals to 32. 32 is the answer. Next, if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the equation, x cube plus 4x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. Find the values of first one, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Second, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square. Third, 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube plus 1 by gamma cube. Fourth, 1 by alpha to the power of 4 plus 1 by beta to the power of 4 plus 1 by gamma to the power of 4. Find these all 4 values. Now Consider the given equation. Here f of x equals to x cube plus 4x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. Now this equation roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Now therefore the equation whose roots one by alpha, 1 by beta and 1 by gamma is f of 1 by x equals to 0, or that equals to, at place of x equals to 1 by x replace, we get the equation whose roots 1 by alpha, 1 by beta and 1 by gamma, that equals to 1 by x cube plus 4 by x square minus 6 by x plus 1 equals to 0. Now take LCM or complete equation multiply with x cube, we get 1 plus 4x minus 6x square plus x cube equals to 0. Now the equation x cube minus 6x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Now this equation roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Now same by using Newton's method, here first of all P1 equals to minus 6, P2 4, P3 1, S1 plus P1 equals to 0, S1 plus P1 equals to 0, for implies S1 minus P1 equals to minus 6 equals to 0, for implies S1 equals to 6. Here S1 nothing but 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma, that equals to 6. Now first one 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma equals to 6. Next to S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2 P2 equals to 0. Now for implies S2 plus P1 equals to minus 6, S1 equals to 6 plus 2 P2, here P2 equals to 4, 2 into 4 equals to 0. Now S2 minus 36 plus 8 equals to 0, or S2 minus 36 plus 8 minus 28. Therefore S2 equals to S2. Here S2 nothing but 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square equals to 28. S2 equals to 28. Next S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 equals to 0, plus 3P3 equals to 0. Now S3 plus P1 equals to minus 6, S2 equals to 28 plus P2 4 into S1 equals to 6 plus 3P3, but P3 equals to 1 equals to 0. Now S3 minus 168 plus 24 plus 3 equals to 0. Now S3 equals to 27 minus 141 equals to 0. Therefore, S3 equals to 141. S3 is nothing but 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube plus 1 by gamma cube equals to 141. 141. Next, S4 plus P1 S3 plus P2 S2 plus P3 S1 plus 4 P4 equals to 0. Now S4 plus P1 equals to minus 6 into S3 141 plus P2 equals to 4 into S2. S2 equals to 28 plus P3 1 into S1. S1 equals to 6. P4 0. Now S4 minus 6 846 plus 112 plus 6 equals to 0. Now S4 minus 728 equals to 0. For implies S4 equals to 728 means therefore 1 by alpha to the power of 4 plus 1 by beta to the power of 4 plus 1 by gamma to the power of 4 equals to 728. 728. Next. Similar problem. If alpha, beta, gamma, delta are roots of the equation x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Then find the values of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus delta cube. Third, alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4 plus delta to the power of 4. Now, the given equation, fourth degree equation, x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Now, fourth degree equation. Here P1 equals to minus 1, P2 equals to 2, P3 equals to 3. P4 equals to 1. Now, first S1 plus P1 equals to 0. Now, S1 P1 equals to minus 1 equals to 0. For implies S1 equals to 1. S1 equals to 1. The value of S1, it is nothing but alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equals to 1. Next to S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2P2 equals to 0. Now, S2 plus here P1 equals to minus 1, S1 1 plus 2P2, 2 into P2 2 equals to 0. Now, S2 minus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. For implies S2 equals to minus 3. S2 equals to minus 3, or it is nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square equals to minus 3. Next to S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 equals to 0. Now, S3 plus P1 equals to minus 1, S2 equals to minus 3 plus P2 equals to 2, S1 equals to 1 plus 3P3, 3 into 3 equals to 0. Now, S3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 equals to 0. For implies S3 equals to